Okay, thank you. So, in last lecture, we have seen some page replacement algorithms, that is FIFO and optimal algorithm. What happens in optimal page replacement algorithm? So, near future pages are not replaced. The page which referred in near future will be not replaced. Yeah, near future pages are not replaced. What is the problem with optimal page replacement algorithm? Because it is difficult to predict the address references, right? Because what we are doing in optimal, we see the future address references, but we will not be knowing prior to the instruction execution that which reference is being generated. Fine. So it is difficult to predict the future address references. Okay. So that is the problem with the optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay. So before we move on to the next algorithm, I just want to quickly revise and solve the question related to optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay. So this is the one. The address references generated by CPU executing the program P are this. Consider the memory with 4 page frames, and currently page number 2157 are in the memory, where 2 is the oldest page and 7 is the new page inserted. Find out page faults, hit ratio and miss ratio using optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, so this program or this question you already done, but with FIFO. Now do the same using the optimal so that the difference would be more clear. All right. Solve this using the optimal page replacement algorithm. So whenever there is you are asked in the exam, you are supposed to do something like this. Okay, that is a time, address, references. Then currently this many pages are there in the memory, so you have to do it in a tabular form. Again, the page which is likely to be replaced first should be marked with a star. Okay, here I used a color convention, that is a red, but while you are writing in the book you need to mark it with star. Okay, for the understanding that okay, this page is going to be replaced first whenever there is a request for new page. All right. If you are done, write your answers. Okay, so I think you all are done. Page fault is 6. Okay. Heat is 11. All right. Yes, Fenil, you are right. Page 46, hit ratio is 11 upon 17 and miss ratio is 6 upon 17. Okay, so now we are moving on to the next algorithm, that is called least recently used algorithm, right? So up till now we have seen the references with respect to future and current references, right? So why the optimal algorithm is not feasible? It is not feasible because the future address references we cannot always guess correctly because the instruction types varies. Probably we are having a branch instruction, we are having a jump kind of instruction, we are having subroutine call and return kind of instruction. So the sequence cannot be predicted correctly, right? So this algorithm is basically used in comparison with other algorithm, but practically we cannot implement such algorithm. Okay. So the key distinction between FIFO and optimal, right, is that FIFO uses the time when page was brought into the memory. Okay, so with each page, timestamp is attached. The one which is oldest will be replaced first. That is according to FIFO, right? That is according to the FIFO. Whereas optimal use is the time when page is to be used. When page is to be used, that time is considered. Okay. But if we use the recent past as an approximation of near future, okay, so what we are doing now in case of least recently used algorithm, we are about to see the past references. And based on past references, we can predict the near future address references. Okay, so the page which is not being referred much in the past is likely to be replaced first. The page which is not being referred much in the past is likely to be replaced first. That is according to least recently used algorithm or LRU. Okay, so okay, again it is given we can replace the page that is not being used for the longest period of time. Okay, that is the same thing. It is called least recently used algorithm. Okay, which means the page which is not being used much or minimum amount of time will be replaced first. Okay, so the LRU associate with each page the time of that page last use. Okay, so हर एक पेज के साथ टाइम स्टैम्प क्या होगा? टाइम स्टैम्प वो होगा जब वो पेज when it is being used. Okay, when a page must be replaced, LRU chooses the page that is not being used for the longest period of time. Okay, we can think of this strategy as optimal looking backward time rather than the forward time. So here we are looking towards the backward address references. Now the backward address references we can look, right? Why? Because we already have that address references. Future references we cannot guess correctly. Okay, so we can say that this strategy is optimal looking backward, right? So let us take an example that we are having a 4 frames memory capacity. Okay, now there is a request for page number 1, that is a page fault, page number 2 page fault, page number 3 page fault, page number 4 and page fault. All right, so now the memory is full with 4 pages. Okay, now there is reference that is 1, so it is a hit, it is already present. 2, it is a hit. All right, so I can say that 1 and 2 are the pages which are most frequently used pages among other pages. Okay, that we can see. So in LRU, what it does, it refer the timestamp with the page when it is being used. Okay, it is given that with LRU, what we are attaching, we are attaching the timestamp when it is being used. Okay, so according to this scenario, 1 and 2 are being used most of the time. Okay, as per the address reference scenario we are having. Okay, so if there is a chance of replacement, Page number 3 will be replaced first, then page number 4, then page number 1, and then page number 2. That is the sequence. Okay, because as the pages are being hitted, the chances of that pages is least. Okay, so we cannot replace that pages first. All right, so now there is a request for page number 5. Then which page will be replaced first?
3.
Page number 3 will be replaced first, right? So we are going to replace page number 3 with page number 5. Okay, fine. Then there is a reference for page number 1. Page number 1 is already present, so it is a hit. Then it is a hit. So if we are going to look for the scenario, then the page number 4 will be replaced first, then page number 2, then number 5, and then number 1. राइट वन के चांसेस मिनिमम हो गए रिप्लेसमेंट में क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ हिट्स दैट वन इज हैविंग इज मोर एज कंपेयर टू अदर पेजेस. नाउ देयर इज रिक्वेस्ट फॉर पेज नंबर 2. It is already present, so it is a hit, right? Now there is a request for page number 3, so we are having two possibility, either to replace page number 5 or page number 4. Okay, so which will be replaced first?
4.
4 will be replaced first, right? Okay, which is being least recently used. Okay, so 4 will be replaced with 3. Okay, it is replaced with 3. Okay, what is again second thing? 4 is used after 1, 2 and 5, so replace 4. All right, 1, 2 and 5 will be referred before, so we have to replace page number 4 with page number 3. Now there is a reference for page number 5. 5 is already present, so it is a hit. All right, so it is a hit. Okay, sorry, page number 4. Okay, so for page number 4 we are having probability of pages 1, 2 and 5. 3 is recently being brought into the memory, right? So which will be replaced?
5.
5. 1 or 2 hit हो रहा है to the maximum time. 3 is the recently placed in the memory, so 5 will be replaced by 4. Right, again there is a reference for 5. Okay, so which page will get replaced?
1.
Yes, very right, it is a page number 1 क्योंकि 1 को रेफर कब किया था? So far, right? 1 was referred so far. Okay, so the chances of replacement of 1 is more as compared to page number 3, 4 and 2. 1 के बाद 2 रेफर हुआ था तो 2 की probability 1 से कम हो गई for replacement, right? 3 and 4 are recently placed in the memory. All right, so which page will be replaced? Page number 1 will be replaced with page number 5. Okay, so we have to look for past references and based on which we need to take the decision of which will be replaced first. Okay, optimal में क्या देखते हैं? Future reference देखते हैं. Okay, FIFO में first in first out. All right, the one which is oldest will be replaced first, and LRU will take care of the past references. The one which is used most of the time will not be replaced, but the page which is rarely referred in the past or least recently used will be replaced first. So total page faults are 8. So miss ratio is 8 upon total number of address reference string, and hit ratio is 1 minus miss ratio. All right, so reference string is this and the page faults are 8. Okay, this is the example you need to solve with the LRU with page frames 3. Okay, you need to do the same, that is LRU, least recently used algorithm. Fine, so do it right now and let me know if you're having any query. Okay, इसको practice ही करना है. जिस पेज की प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है फॉर गेटिंग रिप्लेस, यू नीड टू मार्क स्टार ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर एंट्री. ओके. So some say that is page fault 11, page fault 11, page fault 11, right? Okay. Right. Keyur, Dia. Okay. Okay, so those who are not able to do it, okay, just focus here. So 1, 2, and 3 will be page faults, and 2 is a hit, 1 is a hit. If you want to replace some pages from the current pages, then it is definitely page number 3, right? So we need to replace page number 3 with page number 5 because 1 and 2 is being recently used. We need to check backward, okay? So the probability of 1 will be less, then 2, and then the page number 5, 3. Okay, so पीछे देखना है, right? Then there is a hit 2 is a hit, and 1 is a hit. Then if we look backward, okay, which is the least recently among 1, 2, and 5? Please unmute yourself.
5.
5. So 6 will take place of page number 5. Then 2 is a hit. All right. Then there is a reference for page number 5. So if we want to look backward, there is a sequence 2, 6, and 1. So which page will be replaced first?
1.
That is a page number 1. Okay. Then there is a reference for page number 6. 6 is a hit, right? Then 3. So we need to look backward. That is a sequence 6, 5, and 2. So which will be replaced first? Page number 2 will get replaced.
2.
Right? Then there is a reference for page number 1. The sequence is 3, 6, and 5. So 5 will be replaced. Okay. So look at the arrow. ठीक है, जो arrow है उसको follow करोगे, then it will be very easy for you to understand it, right? Then there is a reference for page number 3. 3 is a hit. Page number 6. 6 is a hit. Page number 1. 1 is a hit. And then page number 2. So if you look backward, the sequence is 1, 6, and 3. So page number 3 will be replaced by page number 2. Then there is a reference for page number 4. The sequence is 2, 1, and 6. So 6 will take place of 4. Right? Then there is a reference for page number 3. Arrow को follow करो. कौन सा पेज रेफर हुआ recently? That is 4. कौन सा पेज उसके पहले रेफर हुआ? That is page number 2. कौन सा पेज उसके पहले रेफर हुआ? That is page number 1. Right? So 3 को रखेंगे in place of 1. Right? So total number of page faults are 11. All right? And that will be your answer. Fine, page faults are 11. So I think it is clear to you difference between FIFO, LRU, and optimal. Okay? Is it clear? The more you will practice, the more it will be easy to understand. All right? Okay, so it is designed to take advantage of normal program behavior. All right? Programs are written in contain loops which cause the main line of the code to execute repeatedly. So we are keeping those address references which are being used most of the time in the past. So for example, loops को ले लो. तो loops में क्या है? Some lines of code will be executed repeatedly. Okay, so we don't have to bring these pages from secondary to primary memory each and every time when it is being referred. Okay, address reference का मतलब क्या है? उस पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस पे जो डेटा है वो हमको चाहिए, ठीक है, whether it is an instruction or it is a data, whether it is instruction or it is a data, so that is a reference. Okay, because the CPU executes the program line by line. Okay, so the instruction address will be your address reference. All right, so the LRU replacement algorithm is explicitly designed to take advantage of locality by assuming that if the page has been referred recently, it is likely to be referred again soon. Okay, so that is LRU. So if you are going to compare LRU with optimal, okay, then we can see that with help of LRU, there are number of faults and number of hits will be there, depends on the address references. Okay, so LRU recognizes that page number 2 and 5 are referred more frequently than others, but FIFO cannot. First in, first out works on the basis of whether it is recently or repeatedly it is being used by the program. As it is the oldest one, it will be replaced first, right? So FIFO doesn't work on any logic related to the address references. Okay, it just attaches the timestamp with each and every pages. If it finds that okay, this page is oldest, replace it. Okay, irrespective of how many times this page is being referred. Okay, so number of faults जैसे increase होते हैं, it introduces more delay, because delay that is occurred due to page fault. If page fault occurs, that page should be brought into the primary memory from the secondary memory. So time required to access secondary memory is considered, right? Then page transfer time will be considered, and then primary memory reference time will be considered. Okay, so that will cause additional delay. Okay, so that is about the FIFO optimal and LRU. The second thing which is very much important is use of a stack to implement LRU algorithm. So if you want to implement least recently used algorithm using stack, okay, so there are not always all the algorithms that can be implemented using stack, but there is a rule. There is a rule, which means that at a particular amount of time, a particular time t, consider that the memory with page frame is 3 and memory with page frame 4, right? So at any given amount of time, right, so memory with page name 3, page frame 3 should be subset of memory with page frame 4. Memory with page frame 4 at a particular amount of time, particular time instant, right? That is a rule. That is a rule. So let us say we are having two things. Let us say t equal to 6. Okay, the page frame, memory with page frame 3 is having a data, let us say 1, 3 and 5. And at t equal to 3, if we consider memory with page frame 4 and it is having data that is a 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so the above rule is satisfied, that is M3 is a subset of M of 4. So if we consider frame 4, then it is a subset of M of 4, memory with page frame 4. Let us consider that this thing is not satisfied, which means that instead of this I am having this. Okay, at t equal to 6, memory with page frame 3 is having pages 1, 3 and 5. And at t equal to 4, memory with the page frame 4 is having pages 1, 2, 5 and 7. So M of 3 is not a subset of M of 4. Okay, if this is not satisfied, that is if M of 3 at time instant t, let us say consider a frame size 3, okay, is not a subset of memory frame at the same time instant t and page frame capacity is 4, then we cannot implement such algorithm with stack. Okay, we need to check whether we can implement FIFO with stack, whether we can implement optimal with stack, whether we can implement LRU with stack, right? So we need to check. So here the implementation using a stack memory is given in case of LRU. All right. Okay, so that is you can do. So I want you to check the chances of a particular page references using the FIFO and LRU both. Okay, consider that this thing is not given. You are giving with the frames having page frame 4 and frame 3. Okay, so what you need to check, we need to check that whether we can implement the algorithm. Which algorithm? Page replacement algorithm FIFO, and second LRU with stack or not. Okay, with stack or not, this is not there. Okay, so you need to trace these things 2 times, first with page frame 3 and second with page frame 4, and with each and every time instant t you need to check that whether m of 3 is subset of m of 4 or not. Whenever this condition fails, then we cannot implement the algorithm or policy with stack. Okay, I'm changing the reference again because this program you already did. Okay, so here your question 0 7 3 2 1 2 4 0 1 3 5 7 1 2. Okay, so these are your page references. Do it and let me know if you have any query. Is it clear, everyone? What should I have to report to Soumyadeep? There is an implementation aspect. There is an implementation aspect. Okay, so can we implement this algorithm using stack or not? Okay, because you can see that the placement of the pages are according to the sequence of the memory or available page frames, right? What is the condition? We need to check that if my page frame is 3, page frame matlab the memory is having capacity to hold 3 frames at a time, that is m of 3, and memory that is having capacity to hold 4 frames at a time, that is m of 4. At each and every time interval, the condition should be satisfied, that is m of 3 should be subset of m of 4. Right? Should be subset of m of 4. Okay? So let us take an example. So this is a time 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a reference, address reference. That is 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4. Okay. So here we have taken the memory with 3 page frames. Next thing we need to check with respect to the memory which is having capacity to hold 4 page frames, right? So here the same time t is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and your reference will be same, that is 1, 3, 0 and 4. Consider that we are having page number 1, 2 and 4 in the memory, and page number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the memory, right? So now 1 is present, so it is hit, right? I'm writing here hit. 2 and 4 will be as it is. With respect to 4, which is 1 is present, so it is a hit. 2, 3 and 4. So at t equal to 1, check whether m of 3 is subset of m of 4. Here the page number 1, 2, 4 are present. Here page number 1, 2 and 4 are already present. Okay, yes, it is subset. So up till now it is okay. Okay, consider this as a FIFO algorithm. All right. Then there is a reference for page number 3 which is not present in the memory, right? So 1 will be replaced by 3, then 2 and 4. What will be here? 3 is already present, so it is a hit. So 1, 2, 3 is present, so it is a hit. And here it is 4. So at t equal to 2, m of 3 is having pages 3, 2 and 4. And at t, m is equal to page frame number 4, t equal to 2, here we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So is this is subset of this? So may they say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
At time t is equal to 2, time t is equal to 2, okay, with the memory having capacity of holding 3 frames at a time, is a subset of time t is equal to 2 with memory having subset or frame capacity is equal to 4. तो ये हमको चेक करते रहना है. जब ये कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी, जब ये कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी, उस कंडीशन पे क्या होगा, तुम वो पर्टिकुलर एल्गोरिदम को स्टैक का यूज करके इंप्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकते. वी आर लुकिंग at the implementation aspect. So whenever this condition is false, at that time period you need to identify that whether we can implement the algorithm with stack or not. Okay, we have to check for both the algorithms, that is FIFO and LRU. Okay, so according to the analysis and according to the research, LRU is known as a stack replacement algorithm, which means that we can implement LRU with stack data structure, but FIFO is not stack replacement algorithm. All right, it is not a stack replacement algorithm. Okay, so I have provided you the overview of this. That is, this is the condition we need to check. Now you have to prove this. क्या प्रूव करना है कि LRU को स्टैक से इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, FIFO को स्टैक से इंप्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
मैम,
यस.
मैम जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें ऑर्डर भी सेम फॉलो होना चाहिए, जैसे कि हम अभी t
यस
इक्वल टू.
यस यस, ऑर्डर भी सेम ही रहेगा. ठीक है, ऑर्डर भी सेम ही रहेगा, एड्रेस रेफरेंस का ऑर्डर भी सेम रहेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने जैसे दिया है कंपैरिजन m इज इक्वल टू 3, m इज इक्वल टू 4 लेके, ऐसे ही आपको कंपैरिजन करते रहना.
मैम जब t इक्वल्स टू 2 है तब 3 to 4 है, और m4 है उसमें 1 2 3 4 है, तो मतलब वो 2 3 4 और 3 to 4 चलेगा ऐसे?
हाँ हाँ चलेगा चलेगा, क्यों नहीं चलेगा. फ्रेम तो कहाँ पे हम प्लेस करेंगे, जहाँ पे मेमोरी अवेलेबल होगी वहां पे प्लेस करेंगे. सो दैट सीक्वेंस इज ओके. वो पेज प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए मेमोरी में, सबसेट होना चाहिए. M3 सबसेट ऑफ M4.
ओके मैम.
So note down this address reference and find out the answer. Okay, so I think this is clear, everyone, the page replacement algorithms. Okay, so from next lecture onwards, we'll be starting with the new chapter. That is a memory organization. All right. Again, the email related to the fees payment and fees voucher generation is already sent to you. Okay, do it as soon as possible. You don't have to report me for anything. In case of any query, you need to report to the contact person which is being mentioned in the email. Okay, you don't have to revert me with your status right now. Okay. Okay, Dinky, it may be possible for this address reference scenario, but it will not be true for all the cases. Okay. So it again depend on the address references. So for this, it may be possible, but for each and every cases, it is not possible. And that's why it is false. That's why it is false. All right. Okay, you may leave the meeting.